Welcome to the Golden Wallet 60 Plus Explainer. Now, my promise to you in every single lesson on this channel is this. By the time this lesson ends, you will know exactly what to do next. No confusion, no guessing, no wondering if you filled something out correctly. Just clear, confident, step-by-step guidance from start to finish. That is what we do here every single day. So settle in, have your documents ready, and let's walk through today's lesson together one step at a time. Today, we're totally demystifying the Social Security application tracking process.
Here's a quick look at our agenda. We've got 5 simple steps to get through: setting up your account, the new login rules, tracking your application status, expected wait times, and missing payments and support. We're going to cover everything from those crucial new login rules to exactly what you should do if a payment suddenly goes missing.
All right, let's dive into Section 1, Setting Up Your Account.
Look, dealing with government bureaucracy can cause a lot of anxiety, right? And you might be sitting there wondering, how on earth do I skip those notorious hold times and huge office lines just to check on my status? Because let's face it, relying on phone calls means waiting forever to speak to a real live person, and getting an in-person appointment can take weeks.
While the absolute best answer is setting up a personal My Social Security account online. It takes less than 10 minutes, and you literally only need to meet 3 simple criteria. You just need to be 18 years old, have a Social Security number, and have a valid email address. That's it. Once you have this account, you can get the info you need at any time on any internet-connected device, completely bypassing that dreaded waiting room.
Moving right along to Section 2, the new login rules.
Okay, pay close attention here, because how you actually access this digital account has recently changed in a really big way. The crucial point is that if you had an account set up in the past, you can no longer just type in your old username and password to get in. That legacy system is officially retired. It's totally unavailable now, and honestly, that's catching a lot of folks completely by surprise when they try to check their status.
So this is the new reality. To securely access your personal portal, you absolutely must verify your identity using either a login.gov or an ID.me credential. Both of these are highly secure credential services that make sure it is really, truly you logging in. You'll just need to provide some personal info to verify your identity, and that officially takes the place of the old username system.
Up next is Section 3, Tracking Your Application Status.
So now that you've navigated those new security protocols and you're securely logged in, let's look at exactly how to find your case information. Checking your status is a super straightforward 3-step process. Once you sign in, just go to your My Home page, scroll down until you hit the Your Benefit Applications section, and simply click View Details right under More Info. They really did design this to be incredibly easy to find.
Now, what's really amazing about this details page is the sheer wealth of specific information you'll find there. It gives you total visibility into exactly where your paperwork is sitting. For example, you're going to see a re-entry number. This is absolutely critical if you started an application but had to pause and save it. You just use this number to jump right back in. You can also see the exact date they received your paperwork, the time of any scheduled appeal hearings, the actual physical address of the office handling your file, and of course, whether a final decision has been made.
Which brings us to Section 4, Expected Wait Times.
Managing your expectations here is so key to avoiding stress while you're checking that status page. And this contrast is incredibly important to understand. While retirement or Medicare applications typically see a decision letter in the mail in just about 30 days, disability applications require a much, much longer wait. For a disability claim, you're looking at an average processing time of 200 to 230 days. Why such a huge difference? Simply because disability applications require them to thoroughly review extensive medical records. So knowing this timeline right up front is going to save you months of unnecessary panic.
And finally, Section 5, Missing Payments and Support.
Say you've been approved, but suddenly something goes wrong with your actual money. You need to know the exact troubleshooting protocol. If your scheduled electronic payment doesn't show up on your pay date, always check with your bank first before you call the SSA. It is super common for a bank to just experience a slight delay in posting the funds. But if the bank confirms they definitely don't have it, then you reach out to the Social Security Administration, and if that payment is due, they will get you a replacement.
If you're ever stuck, if you have a missing payment, or if you simply cannot stand using the online portal, you can call their national toll-free number at 1-800-772-1213. The automated system is there 24/7, but if you need to speak to a real live representative, just call on a weekday between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. local time.
This whole system really is designed to be accessible if you just follow the right steps, But the most important question for you today is this: have you taken those few minutes to secure your digital access? Are you prepared right now with your new secure credentials? Remember, relying on phone holds and physical office lines means putting your peace of mind in somebody else's hands. By setting up your digital access today, you are taking full control of your own benefits journey. Thank you so much for walking through this lesson with us today, and I highly encourage you go secure your portal access right now.